Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Didi Index Indicator. Okay, so the MT4 and MT5 versions are available. If you want to download any of the versions, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder for your MT4 or your MT5 terminal. Then after pasting it in the indicators folder, you can get back to your navigator and refresh it. After doing that, you should be able to find the Didi Index Indicator. Just drag and drop on your preferred chart. Ensure that the Allow DLL Imports box is checked. And then for your input settings, we can see that we have 3 customizable settings here: the moving average 1, moving average 2, and moving average 3. Now we can see this is how the indicator looks like. It helps you with your momentum analysis. All right, views to highlight trend strength and spot early shifts in market direction. Okay, basically when you notice that the blue line is above the red line, it shows that bullish momentum is prevailing. All right, when the blue line is above the red line, it shows that bullish momentum is prevailing. But then when the red line crosses above the blue line, it shows that bearish momentum has taken over. So when the red line is above the blue line, you should be looking for sell signals, sell opportunities. You should be looking for sell opportunities. But then when the blue line is above the red line, you should be looking for buy opportunities. Okay, it's as easy as that. All right, but ensure you always prioritize your risk management and do not over leverage for any reason. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this might just be a good time to do that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on any video that we post. Okay, so that you get updated on new videos that are being dropped in this channel. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.